Hi guys, we're gonna do a quick video on my new Mad Max Mini. This is just a prototype, but it has a VSC 4.20 dual. It's got 6.354 motors back here, double kingpin trucks, and 6-inch non-explosive tires I got from Vestar. And you can actually see that I can connect to it using the VSC tool because I got the Bluetooth module. And the greatest thing about these custom skateboards, you have every data. You can see right now it's at 50.5 volts, right? And you can also keep track of your GPS location and everything. You just have to go turn on data logging, and that's it. And you put it in your pocket, and let's go for a ride. Today I'm gonna just go around the neighborhood real quick. I've been testing this a lot, and I just want to show you, take it maybe to a maximum level, see how it does. Anyway, it feels really good. Stops real good. That guy almost hit me. I don't like people do that. But we'll find out how fast we're going after, because I have all the data. But we are going down this pretty fast. If I fail here, I'm probably gonna die. Oh fuck! Almost lost my balance. The only thing with the Mini Max, as you can see the board here, it's a little small. So it's really built for smaller, shorter people. But it's a good cruiser board here. We're gonna go up this nasty uphill over here and see how fast I can go up. Let's see if I can Parking. All right, I'm gonna let this car behind me pass, and then we're gonna go. We're gonna see if I can keep up to it, yeah? Woohoo! Yeah, we're faster in a car. It's too slow, I can't speed up because of the car in front of me. Look at that. All right, we're gonna call it a day. Let's enjoy this view. I'm gonna have to adjust the brakes a little bit. They're a little too strong. I want it a little bit smoother. But yeah, I just simply love flying through these hills. I mean, I just really feel like literally flying. And with these better boards, you can go fast with stability. These wheels really do help.